So, let's talk about a side stitch or cramp, which is a sharp pain often felt in the lower abdomen or side during activities like running. Side stitches are common and usually harmless, while angina refers to chest pain related to the heart. Here's how a side stitch and angina differ. First, let's discuss the location of the pain. For a side stitch, pain is typically felt in the lower abdomen or along the side, just below the ribs. On the other hand, with angina, pain or pressure occurs in the chest and may radiate to the shoulders, neck, or arms. Next, let's look at the causes. A side stitch is likely due to muscle spasms in the diaphragm or irritation of the abdominal lining, often from a lack of warm-up, poor breathing technique, or eating or drinking before running. In contrast, angina is caused by restricted blood flow to the heart muscle, usually due to narrowed coronary arteries or heart disease. Severity and risk. Side stitch. Generally harmless and resolves with rest or breathing adjustments. Angina indicates a potential cardiovascular issue and requires medical evaluation, especially if it occurs with exercise. For side stitches, adjusting your breathing, slowing down, and stretching can help relieve the pain. Angina, however, requires proper medical attention to manage and address any underlying heart issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational videos.